In this video guide, I will show with you how to sell your domain in Atom platform. So friends, go to Google and look for Atom domain platform. This is a marketplace. Through this marketplace, you can sell domains, you can list your domains, and you can make a transaction, and you can get your offer in your domains. So after logging your accounts, click add a domain, shows your domain here. From here, enter your domain details. For example, friends, EIO. For example, this is your domains. Write your domain here. From here, choose your registration, registered, imported. Here, this option. Add your API token and import your domains. After that, upload your file from here. Click next. From here, when you write your domain, click next. You should be, friends, added a domain here, and then complete. This is all steps and click next. So guys, from here write your price for your domains. For example, choose $100, choose this one, and then complete the steps. So friends, this is how you can do to add your domains. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. From this dashboard, you can check your all domain offers on your dashboard. From this section, you can check your state here, your domain states, and your offer from here, sales offer. So I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another